Let's get it started and Hey Archie. Thank you for topping in, man. Early. Yeah. Game on your feed. All right. Appreciate you, man. Yeah. So we're gonna do at least 3 sets. Then we're gonna do some skull crushers. Hey Archie, what are you watching from? Watching on your mobile phone, your tablet, computer? Let me know. And did you get a hard before the stream? Yo. Oh, it gave you a notification. Okay. So when you click on the stream, did it give you a? Did you get a HUD first at the start of the stream? HUD. Did it give you a ad? Did a ad play before the stream? A ad? Advertise, advertiser ads. Did you get one before the live stream when you click on it? One more set. Ah! Ooh! Yeah! Ah! So you didn't get a ad. Interesting, okay. Yeah. I said that was the last one. We're doing one more set. One more set. Let's get it. It'll work on from Jamaica, man. From St. Lucia, okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Welcome. One tapping in. Make sure to smash that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you can stay notified. We stream over here daily. Cooking to working out. Our motivation and fitness. Everyone tapping in. Appreciate you all. Remember to smash that thumbs up, subscribe. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. 1,000 push-ups a day. About 2,000. Today we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna lift some weights. Great job. Appreciate you all. Let's get it. Sandbags? Not at the moment, but you still have some sandbags here, for real. Do a McDonald's out here now, back in the day, but no. Nowadays it's just KFC, Burger King. My job is to motivate people. That's my job. On a serious note though, that's my job. Motivate. Racing on a track at 9:15 a.m. But really. Race, what is it? What, track and field? Race? If you've been keeping up with the channel, man, you see that I don't need to use steroids. It's all about eating right. I don't need to use steroids, man. Probably your first time, definitely your first time watching the channel, huh? Oh yeah. So we warm up. You've been running a mile every day, a few days. So you're going to be ready? Nice, man. Nice, man. Good job. Definitely ready, man. Definitely. Good luck. All the best, man. Oh, you eat. This guy said he eat burger. Yeah, you're welcome, man. It's all good. Get it, man. Yeah. Up. Also learning Turkish. Beautiful, man. Oh man, the only language I know is English, man. Only language I ever know, English, straight. Want to push up and start doing a day, to start seeing gains. Start off, start off doing the max we can do, and try to work. But if you, I don't know, if you can do 100 a day, do it. If you can't do 100, just go full send and do the max that you can do. Like, but every day try to do more and more. Push yourself more and more. for the 30 day and just take a picture. And you're gonna see the progress, man. Feelings for each other has been, I've been learning every day. She learns English too. Oh, beautiful, man. All right. Kept in contact. Yeah, yeah. She, oh, she work in the hotel at the bar. Oh, okay. All right. Maybe it's a bad one, huh? I don't have to take steroids, man. I don't need to take steroids either. It's all about staying healthy, eating healthy. Let's get back to work. I'm natural, man. Trust me. How many times a day should I hit my max without straining yourself? All right. So, here's my advice to you, man, from experience. Um, as long as you make sure you're gaining at least over 30 grams of protein every day, all right? At least, and you eating at least 3 meals, at least 3 meals a day, and be consistent. So be consistent with your meals, your proteins, and your work. And for the 30 day, man, you're gonna see the progress. All right, it's all about consistency with work and your meal. Always remember that. Mr. Unknown, you need advice. All right, let me. I don't know if you're serious, man. All right, just start it out. All right, if you're working out in the gym, all I can say is take your time, man. Be consistent. Be consistent. Make sure you're hungry for it. Make sure you need it. Make sure you love it, and keep going, man. Never stop. Make sure you're gaining enough protein. The same thing what I said earlier. Gaining enough protein before and after working out. Make sure you're getting enough rest, because rest is important. Make sure you're getting at least 8 hour, at least 7 hour rest every day. Right? 7 hour rest, and you're keeping your work consistent, working harder even every day. Every day, push yourself harder and harder. You have to be consistent with your meal, your protein, your work, and your rest. And that's how you're gonna see progress, man. Just keep it up. Say get back to work. Say less, man. Say less, coach. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah. Ah, ah. Whoo. Yeah. Appreciate you guys, man. Nine Rave. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Appreciate you all, man. Yeah. Almost does that way. So this is over. A friend did said it's over. Someone that worked at the gym feel this weight, and they said it's over, at least over 75, 76. So we're gonna add some more weights in a few. So let's keep working here, man. So we're doing 3 fast reps sets with this. Then we're gonna add some more weight. Oh, I need some water. All right, let's rep this one. Get some water. Don't want to play with the water. Whoo, yeah, yeah. Appreciate you all, man. Much love from Turkey. Keep it up. Good work. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, welcome, man. Yeah. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Keep up the good work. Entity. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. CapCut. I'm Iran. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm gonna get some water real quick. Appreciate you all, man. Ooh, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate you all. Thank you. Yeah, those smoking ganja. Yeah, if you're smoking too much. If you're smoking too much ganja, yeah, it's definitely gonna happen. So too much of one thing is not good. So as long as you're not smoking too much and let it affect your, I guess, your meal consumption of your meals. I'm from Jamaica. I'm not from Russia. How old are you? I'm 28. All right, let's get back to work. Let's get it. All right, we're doing one more set. Don't do just one more set with this. Then we're gonna add some more weight. All right, let's go. 28, yeah. Up. Oh, yeah. Now let's move up. Let's move it up. Let's step up the weight here. It's time to step up. Free day. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Dedication. Yeah. All right. So we're stepping up. To about 90 pounds. Stepping up to about 90 pounds. I'm training to get stronger. Get even more stronger. And staying in shape. Remember the key. Remember the key is consistency. Always remember that. Always remember that. The key is consistency with working and with rest and with your meals. Just take this. My shorts was good. That's good. Appreciate it. I will do the same. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's break it. Up. Up. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. That's what we're talking about right there. Lightweight, man. Yeah. That's how we get it. That's how we get it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Eat my shorts. You got an interesting name right there. I really created a workout set there. Appreciate it. Hey, from Jamaica, man. Oh yeah. David the Unstoppable. This is how we get it in the village. Smaller. Uh, 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 God. That's how we work, man. You want to get tough? Work. Want to look like this? Or even better? Work. Want to get stronger? Work, man. This thing is no joke here. Yeah. Yo, I'm telling you, man. It's always some joke to me, troll. Don't remove it though. Let it stay. Let it stay right there. It's all good. Do shadow boxing. You think I should do boxing? To be healthy, stay in shape, get stronger, stay fit. That's why I train. And I'm sharing the journey, hoping to motivate and inspire someone to do the same. And that's why I train. And that's why I stream this. Oh, you think I would kill it in the boxing ring? calisthenics and workout. Sometimes. Sometimes. Really? This is what I do, man. If I'm not doing this, I'm not gonna feel good. This is what I do. This is what I love to do. This is all I do. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, I just can't escape this music thing. Argentina. All the way from Argentina. Hey, respect, respect. All right. All right. All right, need to get in shape. Then get to work, man. Start working out. Start working out today, man. What's the excuse? What's the excuse, man? What's holding you back? How many sets? All right, so with this, I'm gonna do. So I did. I think two more. One more set. Maybe two more. Started working out recently. No pain, no gain. Exactly, man. Keep getting it, man. Don't stop. Studies holding you back. College. Nah, that's no excuse, man. You gotta have like, you gotta have a free time, bro. Come on. You gotta have a free time. You can do push-up. At least 50 push-ups a day. You try? I don't think you're trying hard enough. Hard enough, man. Trust me. I know you have to study and have to do your work, but there's no excuse, man. There's no excuse, trust me. There's always time, exactly. Trust me, there's always time. There's at least 50 push-ups. Yeah, trust me, at least 50 push-ups, man. It's so easy to find an excuse than to actually do the work. That's how it is. Get to work today. Oh! He said it. Said he weighs 85 pounds. This guy probably trolling. Yeah, do a little. Let's just do, yeah, start from a little, man. That's how you're gonna start. You start off with a little, then you keep working harder and harder, pushing yourself every day. You know? Yeah, when you later on when you get more time now, then you can go even more harder. That's how it is, man. Cold shower, exactly, bro. Hopefully, man, I can get a cold shower one of these days, man. Everyone is talking about that thing, man. You know? But this guy said 3 push-up. The hard part is consistency. That's where the test of your discipline comes into play. So if you got discipline, don't care what the challenge is or what the day is like. Like for me, like even if it's raining, I have to do my work. I have to work out. Even if I go out all day and come in at night and the place is dark, I still have to work out. It's just discipline. So you have to be disciplined, man. Discipline. Key. Wait, you know what? Let's switch this up. We're gonna add some more weights. Let's go heavier. Okay. Remember to stay hydrated. Always stay hydrated, all right? I haven't done abs in a while, man, but if you can hold the bar and make your foot come up like this for abs, and lay down and make your foot come up like this. I recommend doing those for abs. James Smith, what's good, G? Yeah. All right, guys. So we're stepping up from 90 plus pound to it's still 90 plus pound. At least this is gonna be at least 90, 96, 90, 95. Wait, 96, 97, something like that. But anyway, let's get it. Let's see if we can do at least 2 sets or 3 sets. Because the time is going by, but no rush. Whenever you're working, man, it's not about rush. Stay focused. Oh, ah. Wow, feels good. I was on TikTok. I'm on TikTok at TikTok account is a Western, it's Western gaming, but we also focus on fitness on TikTok. Western gaming on TikTok. Look in the description. You're gonna see my TikTok link to my TikTok. Also on X or Western. Also on Instagram. Yeah. Wait. You know what? All right, chat. Now we're going heavy. Wait, give me a second. Let me get my belt. All right, guys, one more set. Let's get it. Ah. Pushing to the limit. Appreciate you all. It's all good. You already know, man. Always on the work, daily. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Set it up. Set it up. Oh, yeah. Kind of about these together. See them go. Oh. Let's get this cash. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, 3 more. Can we do 3 more? Yeah. Ah. Ooh. Yeah, we got 7 more to go. Come on. Up. 2 more to go. Come on, we can do this. Oh yeah. All right, so we got oh yeah. Up. 2 more, 3 more. Up. Do these bigger arms. Oh. 4 more. No pain, no gain, right? Exactly. Pain is just weakness leaving the body. You know, most people will do like with using the two arms, but I try to just use one arm, make it as intense, more intense. You know, that's how I like to close my tricep workout. All right, so we're gonna. All right, so come to the end of the stream for today. Appreciate you all. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you all. All right. All right. Have a good one. Love you all. Peace out.